We made it to the beach. Good job, Dada. Oh, we finally made it to the beach. Let's go. Is our first steps in the water?
I'm not sure.
Anu, you go first? Okay, I'll go. It's not funny. Oh, it's cold. It's a little chilly. It's not that bad though. It's not that bad.
Okay, you go next.
Why? Just get a little wet.
We are gonna be so dirty now.
You're already walking on the sand. How much dirtier can they get?
You're sticking your feet now. You're collecting dirt now.
I want to put it on Anu's pillow. This is kids' work. This is a man's work right here. Good work, good work. We're gonna beat him. We're gonna make the biggest sandcastle ever. No, we're actually making a couch. Wow, nice. Javier, you gotta do better than them, okay? I need a 10 times bigger sandcastle than them, okay?
What does it even do?
Exactly. We'll make one huge. The robot's malfunctioning. He run in the water. Oh, nice.
Oh, okay. I got this. I'm a man in it.
Oh, you're a man in it? Wakanda forever. I don't know.
Bruh.
Eat that.
Oh my god!
Jin, how do you like it so far? She's still thinking. Everyone's over there. Oh, I think Itia's there too now. You want to go in the water? I think she does. Wow. Is it cold, Desu? No? There go the whales. Bruh. Anu the photographer for today. You got any good pics?
Yeah, I guess.
Bruh. Get away from me. Look here, look here. Hey! Agam! Hey, Mommy G in the beach. Go in the water, Mommy G, go. You go. Drop it. You about to build it? Okay. I'm about to do it. You about to do it. Oh! Gotta take it.
The smoke. All of it.
Okay. It's about to get fun now. Sanga. That's good. How's the water? Oh, hey, relax. See what I'm wearing a shirt. It's the white version of Javier Nadeep.
Bro, this guy's been laying in the sun since we came.
I know, he hasn't got any darker, bro.
Is he okay?
He literally just turned red. He didn't even get any more brown. goat right there. Jind enjoying her fruit. Or my fruit. Ah.
OMG, that's so cute.
Ah. Ow. You're definitely gonna eat this one. Okay. Ah. Ah. Hmm. Nope. Yummy. Look. Oh, she gonna kill you with that. Okay. Ah. Well, what did you do in the water? Play?
Now swim.
Now swim? She's like, bro, take these off. Like, come here, bro. Give me those. Give me those right now. Now she want them.
He's so cute. Harvin, what are you?
Do a pose. Pose up. Hey. Hey. A Fortnite dance. Okay. 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 This is some like psychotic behavior right here. She thinks that's a trident or something. Gotta take one for the books. Everyone's so good. Watch it, yeah, watch it just drop it.
Whose phone is it?
I have no idea. He's like big family.
Wow.
He getting the good angles. Oh, I like this guy, I like this guy. Oh, yeah. 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 Oh, this guy king. Thank you. Yeah. He got shocked. All right, the burials complete. Bye, Sharon. We're gonna head out now. Have fun. I love when we start a whole volleyball tournament in the middle of the beach.
Can't wait 30 seconds.
Just serious. You have to wait. Just watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Anu, you still have half a bucket left. Look. Okay, see, let's go. Okay, Anu, I have to take her to the bathroom. I have to take her to the bathroom.
Hurry up.
I have to take her to the bathroom. Oh, mom's getting at it now. Baby one hand, playing to the other hand. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh. Mom got nailed. We're playing Pitu now. Here goes Master G. Oh. Oh. Nice shot, nice shot. Hey, oh, hey.
Guys, stop.
That's how we get stuff done, okay? The team just doesn't want me to give me the ball. Like my own team tried to hit me. I don't know what's going on now.
Okay.
I feel like LeBron, you know? Like me and him are on the same wavelength.
No one knows whose team you're on.
I feel like MVP though. Okay? As long as you're MVP in your heart, you are there.
Yeah.
You saw that happen in real time? That was insane. What is this?
Chocolate.
Chocolate, bro, that's a rock.
Is this video
Strapped
gonna be
in, strapped
beach
in
day?
all day.
Is this video gonna be beach day?
I'll name it Beach Day because of you. Are we winning?
I don't know.
No. I missed.
Yeah, you said you're MVP.
Watch. I'm gonna hit the next one. All right, clip this. Clip
Okay.
this. 2022 March. Oh, it's not March. What? July 30th. I'm gonna hit this next one. Clip it.
Okay.
All right, it's game over. Did we win?
Yeah, we won.
No, we won. Oh. So we won? Oh, Anu got injured here today.
Yeah.
It's okay.
But you dragged me.
On the sand.
Oh, I saw that. I saw
Yeah.
that from over there.
Yeah. The fight has begun. Anu has
Oh,
a
you can't stop your Alden partner.
new opponent.
Yo, I'm gonna push you over again.
Sierra, just wait one more week. Rest in peace, Anu. Sierra, how's the beach trip been?
It's been good.
It's been good? What was your most favorite part?
In the water.
Okay, we're starting to pack up now. And then there's her. Okay. Okay, relax. Okay. Okay, then there's this guy. I think he had something what Mumu had.
Yeah.
He didn't change too. Oh, there's massive parking here.
Hi vlog.